Good solid advice about how to make money online that anyone can use. Making money online is a dream of many in this day and age. In truth, it is almost impossible to make money in any way without using the internet somehow. To learn a few tricks and tips about making money online, keep watching into the rest of this video for some pointers. Figure out your niche before making money online. Is writing something you succeed at? Become a content writer. Are you a good graphic designer? Do graphic design for other companies online. Look around to find what you want to do. Build a schedule for your daily activity. Getting money online is something that you have to be committed to. You are highly unlikely to experience a sudden windfall of cash. You have to be willing to put in the effort each and every day. Set up a time each day dedicated to working online. Just an hour every day can go a long way. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. You have to give information which will verify your identity to make money online. You will have to provide valid identification at many online money-making sites. Get a copy of your ID before you apply anywhere. If you love to draw, you can sell some of the photography that you create on the web. Initially, you may want to post your goods on Craigslist or a smaller site to get the word out and see if people will bite. If there is a high following, you can move to a more prominent site. To earn some quick cash online, try one of the many auction sites. These sites let you sell a myriad of items, both new and used. Collect together gently worn clothes from your closet. Then, photograph each piece and place them on an auction site. With these sites, you can set a minimum bid to ensure that you get the money you want from your clothes. As mentioned earlier, it is practically impossible to make money these days without the internet. Now it is also possible to make money just online. Use the tips, tricks and techniques you learned from this video to either start making money online, or start making more than you did before. Student loan.